Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put the S go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So this one we have y. This one we have s to the power of 3 over 3 because we have the formula in here. So we put number 2 go in here. And this one we have 2 plus 1, we have number 3. This one we have number 3. And later that I will put about c. Number 6 divided by number 3, we have number 2. And now we have the conditions. We know that this equation go through the point 0, number 2. That means s equals to number 0, y equals to number 2. So I will put number 2 go in here, number 0 go in here to find the value of c. And now we have c equals to number 2. And I will put number 2 go in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.